to squat down again for me?
Did you feel a difference?
Yeah.
Where'd you feel it?
I still have no weight to my back. Where I would normally come up and have to hold over, using every bit of my back muscles to hold.
So what do you have to do on a daily basis, and how does the back X help?
Well, lifting boxes up and down all day long, it helps a lot. Take the strength on your back.
How much do these boxes weigh?
Between 40, 45, almost 50. Consistent all day long. These adds up, adds up.
Does that help a lot?
That helps a whole lot.
Yeah?
It helps a whole lot.
What about it helps?
I don't have to grunt anymore. I used to be like, yeah. You don't have to do that anymore. Pops right back up.
Would you wear it?
Yes, I would.
Did that help a lot?
A lot. Probably pick up 2 of them now, right? Pick up 2 of those.
now, I think with this, because of the repetition and the way it backs everything up, it's going to make it a lot easier, a lot less fatigue. But I mean, it's literally, you know, after, and I'm at the end of the day, so usually I'm tuckered out by now, but it's real easy to work with my cloth and, you know, put the next washers on in with the drill. So, that's really, I like it.
Dá fazendo 60 talhos por hora na conferência? Aquele é mais errado, eu tinha pra direita. So it's not in Tá ajudando?
Na hora de você levantar, que quando eu tava sem assistente, agora você não sente.
He's saying that he barely feels anything when he lifts without any weight on it.
Isso é para trabalho acima da altura do peito. Quem tá fazendo agora é isso.
I'm Chase Beach. I'm a director of sales at ShoulderX, and I'm here with Russ Malicki. Russ, can you tell us a little bit where we are, what your job entails, and specifically what this application is?
My job entails, most of the time, always welding pipe, welding structural.
You've been doing this job for a number of years,
Yes.
and where's the pain points? Like where is that the kind of strain that you're getting throughout the day?
Mostly my lower back,
Because-
sometimes shoulders.
Sometimes shoulders, and that's just doing repeated, prolonged work where you're in a bending position.
Bending most of the time.
I'm with Rock and Mark, and we're gonna do some scaffolding using the ShoulderX to help bring the scaffolding up, and the leg X in the squatted position, and the leg X is integrated with the fall protection harness. You guys are doing a lot of overhead work.
Yeah.
So was it helping at all with picking things up, or is it more kind of that constant overhead?
More of lifting it up
Right.
than picking it up, more so of lifting.
You're wearing the leg X, and so can you describe how the leg X is helping you?
More compression, and I was lifting more with my legs instead of my back.